In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscription pop-up to your Wix Studio website. If you're looking to grow your audience, collect leads, or keep your visitors engaged, adding a subscription pop-up to your site is an excellent way to achieve that. It's a simple process that doesn't require any technical expertise. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional subscription form seamlessly integrated into your website. So, let's jump right into it. First, we'll start by navigating to the My Apps section on your Wix site dashboard. This is where you'll find all the tools and features available for your website. Once there, click on Catalog to access the collection of widgets Wix has to offer. The catalog is essentially a library of add-ons and apps that can enhance your website's functionality. Now, to find the right widget for our subscription pop-up, type sub into the search bar. This will narrow down the options and bring up subscription-related widgets. From the search results, look for the subscription form option and select it. This is the widget we'll be using to create our pop-up. Once you've selected the subscription form, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Take your time here to pick a design that matches the style and theme of your website. The goal is to ensure the pop-up feels like an integral part of your site, rather than an afterthought. When you've decided on a template, click on Continue with this template to move on to the customization area. Now comes the fun part, customizing the form. This is where you can make the subscription pop-up reflect your brand's unique aesthetic. You can edit the colors, fonts, and layout to ensure everything aligns with your website's overall design. If you need to collect specific information from your subscribers, you can add additional fields to the form. To do this, simply click on Add Field and choose the type of field you want to include. Next, it's time to fine-tune the details. Customize the header, the text on the Submit button, the footer, and even the success message that appears after someone subscribes. These small touches can make a big difference in creating a polished and user-friendly experience for your audience. When you're satisfied with your design, it's time to publish the form. Click on Publish to make the subscription form live. If you're just starting out or want to test the widget before committing to any paid options, select the free version. This option provides all the basic features you need to get started. Once the form is published, you'll need to integrate it into your Wix Studio site. To do this, click on Copy Code to copy the widget's code. This code is what we'll use to embed the form into your website. Next, open your Wix Studio board to begin the embedding process. On the Studio board, click on the plus icon to add new elements to your page. From the menu, select Embed and Social, then click on Embed Code. This will bring up a box where you can paste the widget's code. Go ahead and click on Enter Code, then paste the copied code into the provided field. After pasting the code, click on Update to save your changes. And just like that, your subscription pop-up is live and ready to start collecting subscribers. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.